The Little Adventure of Amy. It was a sunny afternoon, and Amy was sitting at home feeling bored. She wanted to do something fun, so she decided to visit the park near her house. She took an apple from the kitchen, put on her favorite blue dress, and went outside. The wind was blowing gently, and she could hear birds singing in the trees. As she walked through the park, she saw a little dog sitting under a big tree. The dog looked hungry. Amy smiled and said, "Are you hungry, little one?" She took out her apple, broke a small piece, and gave it to the dog. The dog wagged its tail and ate happily. Suddenly, Amy heard someone calling, "Max! Max!" She turned around and saw a boy running toward her. "Is this your dog?" Amy asked. "Yes. His name is Max. He ran away this morning. Thank you for taking care of him," the boy said, smiling. Amy felt happy. She made a new friend and helped a lost dog. The boy's mother came and said, "You are such a kind girl, Amy. Thank you." As the sun started to set, Amy said goodbye to her new friends and walked home. It was a beautiful day, and she knew she would always remember this little adventure. Moral of the story: small acts of kindness make the world a happier place. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Talk and Thrive. Let me know in the comments if you want more simple English stories like this.